Hi there, and welcome to the very first episode of this complete Elementor custom widget development series. In this course, we'll learn how to build custom Elementor widgets from scratch, step by step, using PHP and WordPress. If you're looking to extend Elementor beyond its default capabilities, or want to learn how to build your own plugins for clients or the marketplace, this series is made for you. What this series is about. Throughout this course, we'll explore how Elementor works under the hood and how to create a custom widget that behaves just like the native ones, but completely built by you. We'll be coding everything from the ground up using PHP, WordPress hooks and plugin structure, Elementor's widget API, and a bit of HTML CSS for the front end. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create and deploy your own custom Elementor widgets. What we'll cover in the series. Here's what you can expect from this multi-part series. First, we'll build the basic plugin structure. Then, we'll register our custom widget with Elementor. We'll add custom controls and settings to the widget. Design the front-end output using HTML and CSS. And finally, make it production-ready with best practices. Each episode will walk you through one focused step, so it's easy to follow along even if you're just getting started. What you should know before starting. You don't have to be an expert, but here are a few things you should be somewhat familiar with. Basic to intermediate PHP, WordPress plugin folder structure, basic understanding of HTML and CSS. If you're not confident with some of these, don't worry. I'll explain everything clearly and in context. Understanding the structure of an Elementor widget. Let's take a quick look at how Elementor widgets are built. In Elementor, every custom widget is basically a PHP class that extends Elementor widget base. Inside that class, we define a few key methods. GetName returns the unique name of the widget. GetTitle sets the visible title in the editor. GetIcon defines the widget icon. RegisterControls sets up the editable settings in the sidebar. Render outputs the final front-end HTML. This structure allows Elementor to recognize and render your widget just like any built-in one. So in this episode, we talked about what this course is about, how custom Elementor widgets work, and what you'll learn along the way. Starting in the next video, we'll jump right into the action while setting up our plugin folder and creating our first PHP class. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. And don't forget to like the video and follow the full playlist so you won't miss the upcoming lessons. Let's get started building with Elementor the right way.